morning students. I am once again back with your English online classes. Today in this video we will be doing some exercises in your English grammar copy. So students, quickly take out your copies. Today we will do grammar lesson 1, transformation of sentences. And you have to note everything what is written on the board. Now have a look at the board. First of all, you will mention the date, then lesson 1, name of the lesson. The next line, transformation. And then the first one, that is positive to negative. And then we will discuss the rules. Written, students? Now come to the rules. If there is, am, are, was, will, can, may, will, shall, or the past tense, we have to just add not after these words to make the positive sentence negative. Repeating once again, if there is, am, are, was, will, can, may, will, shall, just add not after these words. An example, this dress is beautiful. The negative, this dress is not beautiful. I hope you all have written. Now the next rule. If, is, are, am, was, were is not there, we have to add does, do and did. Please copy down. If is, are, am, was, were is not there in the sentence, add does, do or did. Now example, the first one, Ravi goes to school. The answer will be Ravi does not go to school. And in the bracket, note down present tense, does, V1, subject, singular. The second example, Ravi went to school. It's past tense. So the answer, Ravi did not go to school. In the bracket it is written past tense, did, V1 form. Now the third one, they go to school. The answer, they do not go to school. And in the bracket it is written present tense, subject is plural, so it is do and V1 form. I am reading, students, quickly note down this, and after that I have given you some examples where you have to change the given sentence to negative. I am reading out the sentence. We go to school every day. The boys are playing in the field. I am doing a grammar exercise. Raj visited Pune last month. The boy sings nicely. Please note down and write the answers of these sentences. Try to make them negative. The answer of these sentences, you will find it in the parent portal. The next topic is statement to question. Rules. In present or past tense. In present or past tense, we add does, do, did before the subject and the main verb. I am repeating. In present or past tense, we add does, do, did before the subject and the main verb. Example, Rohini sang well. Past tense, answer, did Rohini sing well? Question mark. So in the present tense, does is used when the subject is singular, do is used when the subject is plural, and did is used in the past tense. Hope you have written. Now see the next one. Question can be asked using WH words. Now what are WH words? Why, who, when, how, what, etc. So a statement can be made questioned with the help of WH word. Example, who is knocking at the door? Now the third rule. If there is, am, are, was, were, can, may, will, shall in the sentences, what we have to do? Place these words before the subject. Example, Manu can fly a kite. Answer, can Manu fly a kite? Students, note it down in your copy. If there is, am, are, was, were, can, may, will, shall. Place these words before the subject. Example, Manu can fly a kite. Can Manu fly a kite? Question mark. Hope students, you have completed the blackboard work. Now your home assignment, page number 3 in your grammar book, you have to do exercise C, and page number 6, question number G. These two exercises are from grammar book and you have to copy down these in your English grammar copy. I am clear, students? These two home assignments you are supposed to write in your English grammar copy. You will be writing the question as well as the answer. The rest exercises of grammar, you will be writing it in the grammar book, but exercise C in page 3 and exercise G in page 6, you have to do it in your English grammar copy. Now students, come to page number 6. We are going to do exercise H in your English grammar book. Fill in the blanks with WH words. The first one has been done. Second one. Dash is knocking at the door. Who is knocking at the door? Number 3. Here are 2 books. Dash one is yours. Which one is yours? Number 4. Dash did you go to the party? Why did you go to the party? Or how did you go to the party? Number 5. Dash have you kept the keys? Where have you kept the keys? Write down the answers in your English grammar book. And see students, exercise G, you have to do it in your English grammar copy. You have to write the questions as well as the answers. Now exercise B. Complete the questions for the given answers. So number 1, the answer, I woke up late and missed the bus. So the question, why did you miss the bus? Number 2, my father wakes me up every morning. Question, who wakes you up every morning? Number 3, my mother dropped me at school. How did you come to school? Question mark. How did you come to school? Number 4. I'm sorry I left it in the car. Question. Where did you leave the book? Number 5. I will do this exercise for homework. Question. When will you do this exercise? Written in the book. Now exercise C. Help box is here. We have to use these words and fill in the blanks. Dinah. Bob. Have you got a pet? Bob. Yes. Uncle Jay has bought me a rabbit. Dinah. Where will you keep it? Question mark. Bob. Mummy has made a bed for it in a wooden box. Full stop. Dinah. How will you protect it from cats and dogs? Question mark. Bob. My father is going to make a big iron cage for it. Full stop. Dinah. I will come to see your rabbit. Full stop. Bob. Please come tomorrow evening. Full stop. Dinah. Bye. Now exercise D. Write answer to the questions in the form of negative sentences. The first one has been done. Second one. Are you tired? No, I am not tired. Full stop. Number 3. Did Lena watch the cartoon show last night? We have to use didn't. No, Lena didn't watch the cartoon show last night. Number 4. Do you know how to draw a castle? No, I don't know. Number 5. Have you learnt the tables well? No, I haven't learned the tables well. Number 6. Will you come for the class picnic on Monday? No, I can't come for it. Number 7. Are you going to meet your grandparents this summer? No, I am not going to meet them. Number 8. Did he share the chocolate with you? No, he didn't share it. Next. Does she know about the Taj Mahal in Agra? No, she doesn't know about it. Number 10. Will Radhika come to the party tomorrow night? No, she won't come to the party tomorrow night. No, she won't come to the party tomorrow night. Hope students, you have noted down all the answers. Now the comprehension section, it's for your practice. Please read and do answer in the book itself, exercise A, B and C. You can do it in the book only.